Okay, on this lesson, it's a little bit more intricate. Now you're getting into some of the more detailed formulas that Excel has. This is called VLOOKUP. Actually, VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So here we have VLOOKUP. You have to think of it like this. If it's VLOOKUP, the only difference is in the V and the H, one is vertical and the other is horizontal. That's it. It does the same thing. So if you look at this, what you start off with all formulas with an equal sign, and you say VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and it says, okay, let's start at B2. In other words, right here. Whatever that number is, what it's telling you to do, after the comma, it says, look at this number, go to the tax rate in the third column, that's what the 3 is, correlate this number right here to whatever the tax rate is, and put it here. That's all that a VLOOKUP is doing. HLOOKUP just goes in a different manner, that's all. So if you use the VLOOKUP, it says, okay, go to the B2 right here and look at that number, find it in here. It's in between, you can see it's 31% because it's in between these numbers. And it says post whatever's in the third column that correlates in this range of numbers. Put the percentage here, because now if I use the handler, I click and I drag it. Do you see? What it did was it did the same thing here. It says VLOOKUP, go to B3, go to the tax rates, that's this over here, and it says go to the third column and find the percent that correlates to this number. And so what does it do? It comes over here and it finds 39.60%. Why? Because that's what range it is. It's in between here. That's what a VLOOKUP does. And you could have 5,000 of them. And the minute you use that handler and you pull it down, all 5,000 will revert back to this chart. So that's how you use a VLOOKUP.